after noting down the absorbance values here in the tabular column, we have to do the calculation part for the determination of amount of copper present in the given copper sulfate solution. So we are knowing, we have noted down for blank 0.0, 5 ml of copper sulfate, 10 ml of copper sulfate, 15, 20, 25 and including the test solution. Okay, using these absorbance values, now you have to plot the calibration graph. This is called as calibration graph. To plot this calibration graph, we have to take volume of copper sulfate on x-axis and absorbance values on y-axis. So volume of copper sulfate taken is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 like that. Each unit you take it as 5 ml. And on the y-axis, the absorbance values, you take it as 0.5 OD and note down. So for these 5 ml of copper sulfate, blank is anyhow 0.00. So for 5 ml, 0.11. So for 5 ml, note down the point here. For 10 ml, note down the point. For 15 ml, absorbance value, note down. For 20, 25 ml. After noting down all these points, now you have to draw a straight line passing through the origin, passing through maximum number of points. So using a scale, you have to draw a straight line. It should be a straight line passing through the origin, passing through the maximum number of points. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 ml. So this is called as calibration graph. Okay, from this calibration graph, for the test solution, you know the absorbance value. So for the test solution, the noted down the absorbance value is 0.29. So correspondingly, for 0.29, you draw a straight line onto the graph and draw one more straight line onto the x-axis. So you are taking the absorbance value on y-axis. From there, drawing a straight line onto the graph, drawing one more straight line onto the x-axis, the point where it touches the corresponding value is your test solution volume. Okay, now you will be knowing what is the amount of copper sulfate given in the test solution from this graph. Okay, now coming to the calculation part, volume of copper sulfate in test solution, you will get it from the graph. Now you have to calculate not copper sulfate, copper. So as per this equation, 249.54 grams of copper sulfate pentahydrate contains 63.54 grams of copper. So whatever from the graph you got it contains how much amount of copper. So copper present in 1000 centimeter cube of stock solution is 1.0185 grams of copper. So copper present in 1 centimeter cube means 1 ml of copper sulfate is 0.0010185 grams of copper sulfate. So now you have to multiply whatever the test solution volume you got, you multiply that with 1.0185 milligrams of copper, so that you will get weight of copper in the given test solution, you will get in milligrams. So a centimeter cube, A is nothing but your test solution volume multiplied by 1.0185 milligrams. You multiply that and write the result in milligrams. That is the weight of copper present in the given test solution. Okay, now we have to fill this table also. So concentration of copper from these calculations, we have understood it is 1.0185 into volume of the solution. So multiply 1.0185 into 5, write down the value here. Multiply with 10, write down the value. Multiply 1.01 with 15 and write the value. Multiply with 20, write down the value. Multiply with 25 and write down the value. And for the test solution, whatever the value you have calculated here, note down here. So this is the end of the experiment, which is nothing but called estimation of copper colorimetrically using digital photocalorimeter. Thank you.